Whether you're a content creator or edit videos as a hobbyist, the quality of your videos matters significantly to the viewers. However, as the quality of your video increases, so does the file size. Ultimately, this leads to storage problems and lengthy upload times. Introduce yourself with VideoProc, an all-in-one video processing software that will help you compress large 4K videos without compromising the quality. Apart from processing videos, VideoProc is capable of accomplishing so much more. You can convert or backup DVDs to any specific format, download videos from a platform of choice using the downloader feature, and also record your screen by clicking on the recorder option. To downsize a large 4K video, click on the video processing option from the main menu. Add your desired video file from Add Video option on the upper end, select a preset from the target format option, and hit Run. Your video will be processed and downsized in no time. Or you can just drag and drop your desired video file and go through the process as instructed. Surprisingly, VideoProc also supports Level 3 GPU hardware acceleration to enhance your user experience, video processing time, and stability even further. Whether you have an Intel integrated GPU or a GPU from AMD or NVIDIA, VideoProc supports hardware acceleration for all of them. To know more about it, click on the Options button under the Hardware Acceleration Engine menu, and you will notice that VideoProc has automatically detected your hardware and applied the best settings for acceleration. VideoProc is free to use, and you can seamlessly download it from their website. Also, we're giving away a free license of the paid version as well, so be sure to check the description box for more. And that is pretty much it for our review on the VideoProc video processing software. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.